Hi guys, welcome to King Romeo's YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be telling you how to make your own meme without copying or stealing from anyone from Facebook or from group chat or any of them. So today I'm going to tell you how to make a very good meme. So first of all, you're going to just download that app called Easy App Maker. The name of the app is called Easy App Maker. Just the logo is here already. Just search on your Google or app store Easy App Maker. Then once you have finished downloading the app, you see a lot of memes here. Anyone you want to use at all, anyone popular, anyone that is your favorite. Or if you want to use your picture, just use your picture. So I'm going to just select anyone just for today. So here is add a text, here is rage. If you want to add additional picture to it, here is the rage, here is a photo. If you want to add a photo of yourself or any other thing to this image, here is expand. If you want it to be like this, see this black line under this, or you want it to be like this also, or you want none of them to appear, you just want it to be plain, just add a text. I'm using only upper text, I'm not using bottom text, I'm just using only upper text. I'll just type funny thing. Let me see. When your guy sorry, use wants to see the future. I'll say done. So once you are through, just anyhow you want it to be, you just shape it to my desired, just anywhere I want it to be. Just put it here. Yeah. No, this. Yeah. See guys, I'm okay with it, so I'll just save it. See, you can share it on Facebook, on Messenger, on Twitter, on WhatsApp, on Viper, on Reddit, on Instagram, or other apps. So once I just do, since I don't want to share to anybody, I'll just skip it. Just say save. Just share. Anybody. I just say my story. Just keep it. So I'm just done. I'm done with it. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching this video. Please make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, like the video, and make sure you don't forget to subscribe. Please make sure you subscribe. Thank you.